Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Airtable automation settings for projects, beginner guide. To start backing up your Airtable automation settings, open your Airtable base. Navigate to the Automations tab located in the top menu. Click on the specific automation you wish to backup. On the right side, you'll see the Automation Configuration panel. Take note of the automation name for future reference. Carefully review all trigger settings. Document each trigger type and its configuration details. Next, examine the actions associated with that automation. Record the type of actions, such as sending emails or updating records. For each action, note down any required parameters and settings. If applicable, check for any conditional settings that may influence the action's execution. Make sure to also document any scripts used within the automation. Then, proceed to the backup process for fields. Go to the table utilized in your automation. List all fields used by the automation's triggers and actions. Take note of the field types and any specific configurations associated with them. For extra security, consider exporting the entire base as a CSV file. This step includes all tables and settings related to your automation. To export, click on the View options in the top right corner. Select the option to download the CSV file. After exporting, save this file in a dedicated backup folder for your Airtable project. Additionally, consider creating a backup of your complete Airtable base using Airtable's snapshot feature. Navigate to the workspace settings to access this option. Follow the prompts to create and name your snapshot. Ensure that you store the snapshot in a safe and easily accessible location. Review your backup documentation regularly to keep it updated. Conduct tests of your automations to ensure everything runs smoothly after any updates. With these steps, you can effectively back up your Airtable automation settings for future use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.